Learn English with Elon Musk. Who is Elon Musk? Let's find out and learn English together. 1. Introduction. A simple life start. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He was a quiet and smart child. Elon loved reading books. He read science fiction, history, and technology books every day. He even finished reading the entire Encyclopedia Britannica when he was just a kid. From a young age, Elon dreamed about space, rockets, and computers. He wrote his first video game at the age of 12. It was a simple game called Blastar, and he sold it for $500. This was Elon's first small success. 2. Moving to America. A dream begins. Elon wanted to move to the United States because he believed America is the land of opportunity. First, he moved to Canada at age 17 and then went to the US for college. He studied at the University of Pennsylvania. He earned degrees in both physics and economics. During college, he worked hard and started thinking about big problems: the internet, clean energy, and space travel. 3. First big success: Zip2 and PayPal. After college, Elon co-founded a company called Zip2. It helped newspapers create online maps and guides. In 1999, he sold Zip2 for $307 million. With this money, Elon started X.com, an online bank. Later, it became PayPal, a company we still use today for online payments. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon now had a lot of money, but he didn't retire. He wanted to build the future. 4. Tesla, electric cars for the future. In 2004, Elon helped create Tesla Motors, now just called Tesla. Tesla makes electric cars that are fast, clean, and cool. At first, people didn't believe electric cars could work, but Elon kept working. Now, Tesla cars are everywhere, in America, Europe, and even Asia. They don't need gas, and they help protect the environment. Elon's goal is to reduce pollution and stop climate change. 5. SpaceX. Let's go to Mars. In 2002, Elon started SpaceX. His dream was to make space travel cheaper and better. He wants humans to live on Mars one day. SpaceX had many failures at first. Rockets exploded. Money ran out. But Elon never gave up. In 2008, SpaceX finally sent a rocket into orbit. Now, SpaceX launches satellites, space cargo, and even astronauts to the International Space Station. Elon's biggest goal: to build a city on Mars. 6. Other projects: solar energy, trains, and AI. Elon also works on many other big ideas. Solar City, a company for clean solar energy. Neuralink, a brain-computer interface. The Boring Company builds underground tunnels for fast travel. OpenAI, a company that helps develop artificial intelligence safely. Elon Musk is not just a businessman. He's a dreamer, an inventor, and a problem solver. 7. His personality: smart and funny. Elon is famous for working very hard. Sometimes he works 80 to 100 hours a week. He is very serious about his missions, but also funny on social media. He shares memes and jokes on Twitter, now X. People call him a genius, but also a crazy dreamer. Some people love him. Some people don't. But no one can ignore him. 8. Learn English from his life. Simple words, big ideas. Let's review some important English words and phrases from Elon's story. Inventor, a person who creates new things. Electric car, a car that uses a battery, not gas. Rocket, a vehicle that goes into space. Goal, something you want to do or achieve. Failure, when something doesn't work. Never give up. Don't stop trying. Change the world. Make the world better. Try to use these words in your own sentences. Say them out loud. Write about your goals like Elon Musk. 9. Conclusion. What can we learn? Elon Musk teaches us many things. Think big. Don't be afraid to fail. Work hard. Believe in the future. And remember, while you learn English, you're also learning how to change your world, just like Elon.